It's so close.
Well, I'm on chapter 2, is that good?
Oh, I'm on chapter 2.
Chapter 2 good though?
No, yeah.
No! Oh my days, no way!
Found the chair, Adam, it was the chair's full track.
No! Oh my...
Definitely.
Yes! Alright, so I've basically beaten it now, hopefully. Have I beat it? Come on.
Let's go.
Come on, let's go. W Ducklist.
Add some Fiona Grind monthly challenges after that.
Maybe.
Huh? That's cool.
Oh, so where I can skip the cutscene, bro. GG's. No practice, let's
Oh, I
go.
see you in the thing, 120 minutes.
Let's go. I finally beat an SC after like 6 months.